once actually. I just kept it to show you all. See, now it is the new roots have come, which is white, and also the mehndi and indigo has become light. And today I'm going to put only henna, and I will show you how to mix it and apply it. Can you see? Yeah. I'm just going to mix half a cup of henna. This is Khadi henna powder. I'm now going to mix this with warm water. You'll have to mix it to a creamy consistency like this. See, you should have it like this, in this consistency, and then apply immediately. I'm not adding any tea or any tea decoction or coffee decoction or anything else, just henna, plain henna powder, that's it. Okay, I'm just going to apply immediately. I'm not keeping it like overnight and all that, so I'm just taking it from the side now and apply like this. I have tried so many methods before this, and I found this the best because it's totally a waste of time to soak henna overnight and add it with tea decoction and pour them in the iron vessel. All that is of not much difference at all. In fact, this is much better. I have applied my whole hair actually, and I'm just going to wipe out the extra what has come on the skin. Immediately you have to clean it, otherwise you will have mehndi designs on your forehead. Then you can put the shower cap and keep it closed for 6 to 7 hours, and then I will show you. Okay. Hi, today morning I showed you how I was putting the henna on my hair actually, and after 7 hours I had my head bath, and just see the color. All the white hair has become real red actually, dark color, dark. I just put the henna on my hair and then put the shower cap, and I started doing all my housework, so there was no disturbance as such, and this is really good actually. Over the inside you can see everywhere it has become dark red, see. So now when I put this indigo tomorrow, it's going to turn into a much better color. It'll be a dull black, but it looks so natural. So I will show you the video tomorrow once I've finished. When I'm applying my indigo, I will show you the video when I'm applying the indigo, and after that you can see how it is. I think after a long time, after so many years, I have found the best solution for my hair, because I used to put hair dye because I started losing my hair actually. They started falling so badly. Please try this and give me your comments. I'll be very happy if everybody is going to benefit of this. Actually, I like this method the best. I've tried all the other methods like putting coffee decoction, tea decoction, then keeping it in the iron vessel. It really doesn't make any difference at all. In fact, this is even much better. So please go ahead and try this method and give me your comments. I'm going to use this Khadi indigo leaf powder. You can see this, and also you make sure that it's as green as this. because that makes a lot of difference. It should be exactly like in this color. If it's going to be a little dull grayish color, then you won't have good color for your hair. Now I will show you how to mix it. I'm just taking half a cup of indigo powder and putting it. You see the color? It should be green like this. Then I'm just going to add a pinch of salt actually. As much should be enough. Now I'm going to mix this with 50 degrees of hot water. See, I've taken hot water which is 50 degrees hot. Okay. I'm mixing it and see how it is come. It is in this consistency, green consistency. More water if you need to make it slightly to the creamy consistency. It should be hot water, not cold water. Now I'm going to apply on my hair immediately. Now I'm going to apply the indigo paste which I have done, mixed with water, hot water and a pinch of salt. So I'm actually going to do it here first. See how green it is. See how this henna color which I did yesterday has become very dark now. So over that I'm applying this indigo paste. Take a section of hair like this and then apply it over the henna application. I've now applied the indigo paste on my hair. I think some of them. Yeah, and I'm going to put the shower cap and keep it for 2 hours. Hi, can you see my hair after the indigo? First henna, plain henna, then indigo, and see how it has become. It is really black. It's a very natural black, I would say. It's natural black. See? I can even show you all here. You can see it. See this side here. Only here it's a little bit white. That's because I didn't put very close to the skin. So maybe next time I will just put some cream here and then I should do it. You can see everywhere. I am actually so happy this time. In fact, it has come out even much better actually. It's actually come out much better this time. So I will only do this step for my hair now. So I'm not going to put more videos on this because this is the best I've tried so far, and I don't think anything else can be better than this. So please all of you all try and let me know. Thank you.